Me, Mars.
Let's press this.
I wonder where Pocoyo could be. There he is, flying in the family. Hello, Pocoyo.
Hi. Hello.
I wonder what Pocoyo's doing now.
This is
It
awkward.
looks like Pocoyo wants to show us something. What is it, Pocoyo? What's that then? Do any of you know what that is?
Let's see.
Yes, you can sleep outside in a tent. That's called camping. Are we going camping, Pocoyo? Wonderful. I just love camping. Well, isn't this exciting? But is anyone else going with us?
Go. Nope.
I know who that is.
Nope.
Pato's coming camping too. Great. And have you got any luggage, Pato? Do you really think we need that?
Okay, this video is gonna be continued, so I hope you like this video about Pocoyo.
A bath brush, Pato. Really, I